to participate in airdrop mining on Satoshi Airdrop mining app, all you have to do is to go to the button that says project, because that's where you will find the project that will give you coins. Okay, so you all know what mining is. Mining is just a process of validating transaction on a blockchain, and when you validate transaction, you earn rewards. Okay, and the rewards they secure. They secure miners. Miners they secure the blockchain. Okay, so to start earning these rewards, you need to participate in a project. So I've clicked on the project, and these are the project that are right here. So what you have to do is to click on one project. Make sure that you click on the first project. This one is called TCA. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll find a button that says participate in airdrop. You have to click on that button, participate in airdrop, then confirm, close. Okay, so when you're participating in airdrop, they will tell you that you have successfully participated in an airdrop. Okay, and your airdrop starts in 54 minutes. That is after now, or after accident broke. Okay, after this round, then your mining starts. All right, and on this airdrop, you can also click on claim hashes. Once you click on claim hashes, you can get 50k hashes daily by just participating in this airdrop. Okay, so all these coins are just test coins. This is just test coin C, B, and A. But the little project that we want to mine, the one that is gonna make us money, is OpenX. Okay, which is a cryptocurrency. Not just a cryptocurrency, but it's a cryptocurrency, a token that is a native token on OpenX exchange. OpenX exchange is a revolutionary trading protocol. Okay, that is kind of a hybrid. It combines the decentralized as well as the centralized together, forming this it's like the core combining Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, the same thing here. It combines the centralization and decentralization, which is a very very good project. So to mine this, all you have to do is to click on the participate button. Like here, I'm already in the project. I've already clicked on participate. That's why you see here. If I click on exit, that means I'll remove myself from the project. So once you click on this project, you have participated in the project. The next thing you have to do is to watch this section, especially this button that says claim. Okay, all you have to do is once the round elapses, you have some rewards. Okay, and if all the rounds have passed and you haven't claimed, mining stops. You already know how it works, guys. So that's it. Make sure to my next video I'll explain how you can earn more coins.